All right, what's good, everybody? Just got home from work right now, and I'm feeling to get this 3-inch exhaust on. I want to get this 3-inch on today. I don't know what else the week has in store for me, and I'm going to have a busy weekend. So if I don't get this 3-inch exhaust on today, I don't know when it's going to be on, guys. I emailed my tuner. Shout out to Steve at eTunes if you're watching this. He's going to hook me up with a retune. I'll probably need to do like 2 revisions for the 3-inch exhaust. It should be running good as... Oh, man. She's going to be somewhat loud again, guys. She is going to be somewhat loud. Look at that piping right there. All right, let's get this thing on, shall we? I got to move this thing up some. And then get some jack stands underneath, obviously. I'm not really gonna film too much today, just because I've done like a lot of exhaust installs. Definitely want to get some footage for you guys. So look at that piping right there. And it honestly looks like rain right now, so hopefully it doesn't rain, I guess. I can't believe she's going 3-inch. No more quietness. But I am keeping my stock exhaust. The exhaust is mint condition, guys. I'm keeping it. Hopefully this is the last exhaust. If they have a 4-inch, maybe I'll do that. Nah, just kidding. But hopefully this is the last exhaust, guys. I'm kind of getting like tired of just crawling under there and changing stuff out, you know? But yeah, let's get everything laid out and get this car jacked up. Guys, I know I shouldn't be doing this, but the ground is really solid right now. So I'm just putting the jacks on the ground. You know, a lot of people worrying, yeah, it's not the safest, smartest way to do it, but the ground is solidified because it's like 30 degrees out right now. So hopefully I'll be good. So if I hear any creaks or anything, I'm rolling out from under there. First, I'm gonna take the muffler off and work my way down to the mid pipe. So it is gonna be tight. Guys, I really need a shop. I gotta get these bolts off now. These things look like they've been on there for a while. Just a little idea how I'm doing this here. So I know I said I wasn't gonna film much, but you guys are probably curious. Adjustable wrench on the back side of the nut, and then I'm just taking a ratchet, cracking them free like that. They are pretty rusty, guys, so some of you guys might need heat. Just depends how old your exhaust is. I had a really hard time with the top bolt. Let me see if I could find it for you. It was kind of like bent a little bit, and since there's so much rust, the threads coming out, it was a pain in the balls, but I ended up getting it. You can see this is officially off right now. Can we just talk about the piping size difference? Look at that. Look at that difference in piping size, guys. That thing is huge, dude. Bolts, I'm loving the bolts right now, guys. They're actually 14mm, so it's gonna make my life a lot easier. I apologize if there's any crud on my face. I'm trying to look right now, but basically it's gonna make my life a lot easier. So I gotta match up everything, make sure there's gaskets on everything. There's a gasket right here, and I need to put a gasket here, and then there's the gasket up at the flange, which is this one right here. So we should be good to go, guys. Like I said, I'm just gonna match up everything, put another gasket right there, and I actually think they gave me an extra gasket. So at the end of the day, like I said, my last video, guys, I'll drop the link above or at the end. Hardware is phenomenal, 100%. I got an extra gasket, and they gave me an extra bolt. So, and I like the fact that this is a 3-piece exhaust. Kind of makes installation a little bit easier to do. You can carry one piece under there at a time, and then basically bolt on everything pretty easy. So how we're gonna do this is real quick, because I don't think I'm gonna bring you under there. I'm losing daylight. So what I'm gonna do is I usually start with the muffler. resonator, and then I'll put on the rest of the mid pipe. I'm not going to tighten the bolts down all the way. I'll get everything installed. I'll have the bolts loose, and then I'll tighten everything up at the end, guys. All right. Muffler's on, guys. This thing looks so ricey with the silencer on. Like, I'm literally taking that off. Like, it looks so bad, dude. All right, guys, it is pretty dark out right now, but finishing up the install. You guys could see the 3-inch is officially on, guys. I got everything bolted up. I just need to tighten down everything. I ran into some issues. Obviously, getting the top bolt in over there is a pain in the butt. A lot of you guys recommended to take the heat shield off. I think a couple of you guys. I think you're talking about the heat shield back there above the muffler, or there's a heat shield right here. But I'm gonna run it personally. I'm gonna run it. So if it does end up vibrating, I'll just come back under here and I'll probably end up pulling it off. But hopefully we don't run into any issues. So far the install has been decent. Relatively easy. I've also done exhaust multiple times, so my hardware is not even that bad. But let me finish up, guys. Maybe if you're lucky, I'll do a start for you at the end. If not, you're gonna have to wait till next video. Super dark out right now, but it is official. The 3-inch godsnow exhaust is on. This is crazy. Look at that. Piping, guys. The piping and the gaskets fit 100%. Hardware went 100%. The whole install was super easy. And yeah, we're officially 3-inch exhaust, guys. What I'll do is I'll start it for you guys with the silencer on, and then if I don't like the way it sounds, I'll just take it off. But I personally hate the way the silencer looks, guys. It looks like crap. I don't really like chrome and shininess. So let's start it up, dude. See what happens. Oh my god, dude. My hat's all screwed up. Look at this. I got grass in my hair. Jeez. Oh, dude, it's pretty loud with the silencer on right now, so I'm dying to hear how it's gonna sound with the silencer off. But I'm gonna make you guys wait for that until the next video. I hope you guys, sorry for the lighting, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like, drop all your comments down below, and subscribe if you want to see more Honda content, guys. So I got a ton of races coming up and just a couple more simple things for the build until she's done, guys. I got to get it retuned by Steve. I mentioned that earlier in the video, so that's going to be fun. I can't wait to see what this thing's going to make for power. If you guys know any good dyno tuners in Connecticut, drop the comment down below, because I want to get some dyno runs on the dyno and see what I'd make for power. So I'm shooting for 225, 230. That was the ultimate goal before I did the swap, and at least 180 foot-pound of torque. And remember, never stop wrenching. Really hope I'll like the 3-inch world and the performance of the 3-inch. I think the K24 and the 3-inch will flow, you know, hand in hand together. So stay tuned. I have a couple more. I got some videos planned. I'm really excited right now. I want to take this thing out for a rip, but I'm gonna make you guys wait. Stay tuned for my retune. That's gonna be fun, and hopefully get some power pulls for you on a dyno soon. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for 18,000 subs. I appreciate all you guys. Peace out.